What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to tie the double fisherman knot. It's a great way to combine two pieces of rope. It's not my favorite method, but let's get started. So you got two rope ends like I got here in my hand. Measure out about 1.5 to 2 feet, and then start off with your first stopper knot. So make an X with the rope, come back around one more time, and then go back through your X. Dress it up. You should have this nice X here on one side and then two nice strands on the other. Pull enough slack through for your other side, and now you're going to go the opposite way. So you make that X just like this, come around again, go through the X again, dress it up nice, and then pull both ends together. A properly tied knot should have the X's aligned such that they're nested together, and then you have all 4 strands like this on the far side. So I'm going to show you the double fishermans one more time. You got your 2 strands of rope, overlap them, tie your first knot. Again, you got the X, pass the end through the X, pull it tight. Get some slack on the other side, same thing. Make your X, go around the original strand again, back through the X, pull it tight. There you have it, your double fisherman.